I didn't know much about you. Someone had told me about you, and the first time I met you, or let's just say the first time I saw you, because you never really acknowledged my presence the first time you saw me. You just like yapped and yapped with Meghna, and at the end of the conversation, you just walk off without even acknowledging my presence. And you made an impression on me. The impression being, my God, she's so horrible. Like, she doesn't even look at other people. But yes, after a point of time, we did become best friends, which I'm very, very happy that we did. Because I don't know what I'd do without you women. How would I go through college? How would I go through everything in life without you? So just, you mean a lot to me.
So I know Steffi since junior KG, and there are lots of secrets, which I can speak only a few right now. But yeah, I'm almost on the verge of crying. But yeah, well, Steffi, the weirdest chick ever. Because it was something, she's the first person in school जो वो गजरा लगाती थी from year to year, like a garden. We used to call a garden during 6th standard.
So I met her in my first year, that was what, 5-6 years ago.
Steffi, when I met her, she was like, okay, she's one girl in my group, we are meeting, and then Rhythm, that is our technical cultural fest, वहाँ पे सब ऐसे मिला करते थे, बात करते थे, फिर अच्छे से ग्रुप बन गया, and that is how it went.
Okay, so we had 2 Steffis in college, so we just met at the canteen, and then I just asked her, are you George or John?
I met her at while we were on a IV, Manali IV, and funny thing happened. It was kind of very awkward. We were in a room, basically. We were in a room, and I don't know, she just went there to vomit. But things got pretty ugly, so I had to leave her there. But yeah, that was actually the main interface between me and Steffi. I mean, that is when I actually got to know her.
I really don't remember when, where and how we met first. The only thing I remember about the first thing is the carnival. It was crazy, it was really crazy. The second night especially, if you remember, and what not we spoke, what not we shared about our crushes, about the similar line stories.
My sister's wedding, where I actually got to know. This was a mix of 2 families, a Muslim and a Catholic family that came up together, and that's how I got to know.
I remember अपना zonal day था, Malad zonal day. It was the first time that your parish came into our zone. So मुझे याद है तूने साड़ी पहना था, and I was wondering why this girl is wearing that साड़ी. Zonal day है यार, साड़ी में क्यों आई है? फिर I realized each and every guy is looking at you. और बाद में समझा तेरा स्किट के लिए तू तैयार होके आई थी.
And my first impression was I'm never going to remember her name, like which Steffi she is. Because there were 2 Steffis.
Steffi was Steffi. I didn't know much about her because she wasn't in the same branch. But then I knew that she was the party kind, so yeah.
First impression was quite, I thought she was a very seedhi saadi boli bandi with a dusky look, but kind of it was drastically opposite. So you can understand my let it be.
बहुत nerd, पढ़ाई करने वाली, can't go out, or she has to study all the time. She used to do that. And the moment she came into college, trust me, after that I came to know how Steffi is. Super fun, super freak. I love her because she's a foodie, and हम लोग का almost everything is similar. Dressing से लेके food and even the guy stuff. But yeah, it's way too funny.
I really thought बहुत ज़्यादा अकड़ू है, बहुत भाव खाएगी and stuff.
ये लड़की बहुत घमंडी है. मेरा इसके साथ तो बिल्कुल जमने नहीं वाला है.
she's always smiling and laughing, and she'll crack the yuckiest jokes, but they're too funny, so I can't say them right now, but
she's always happy, she smiles a lot, and she'll try to cheer you up. She wants to know more about your life, and she's been a good friend. So
she's very open-hearted, she's straightforward and she's blunt. And I like that because she doesn't keep anything in her heart. She just says everything she wants.
It was fun. It was always fun having you.
oh my god, several. I think when she used to come to my place to study, or dressing up for DJ night, or talking about guys, I think, yeah, that was something.
We used to play basketball. वहाँ पे बहुत jokes हुआ करते थे, इधर उधर की बातें वगैरह वगैरह.
मिली नहीं 6 महीने से यार. The Ivy, the BIV, that was a great trip we shared, and yeah.
Funny moments, several funny moments. We have discussed girls. We have discussed girls together. We have discussed boys together. We have discussed girls and boys and girls together. So there's a lot of girl and boy thing happening in our mind, and yeah.
Talking about memories, to be honest, every moment that we spent together is special to me. Every single moment. Be it window shopping and laughing on clothes that we don't fit into, or laughing on your shoe size and my dress clothes. Like, that will be anything. Even sitting at a coffee shop, or forget anything. Sitting in orbit, sitting at a sofa for 3 hours, that is also meaningful to me. So every living moment has been very special to me. So I'm hoping that doesn't end, and I'm hoping your future husband is very cooperative and he lets us continue having these small sessions and gets out of the way when we need him to.
Christmas we started enjoying, meeting up, hanging around a lot of times. The best part was taking permission from our parents and just hanging around in the night, going for sleepover and just having fun at the all times. Yes, we both have seen those harsh times as well. The basic harsh time, what I mean, if you could understand, Steph. It's been a good time that I must have spent with you, and I really think that will always happen in the near future.
The nights that we have worked for the zone, वो sports day के लिए plus Onam का Kaikoti, I still remember all those days, and I think through that we have become very close friends.
So just so I'm clear, this is very impromptu and I'm not sure what I'm supposed to say in this video. But what I do know I want to say is, oh my god, you're getting married! Like I told you just some time back, in my slightest dream, I never thought I'd actually have to do this so quickly. Like so quickly, I still remember when we were kids and we used to dress up where, I don't care as long as we're wearing clothes. And now, we're like, actually, you're getting married, dude. I'm so happy for you. Just so we're clear, I am happy for you.
We had decided she would be the last person who will be getting married, but it was a shock. Last year was a shock to us because the day me, Meghna, Priyanka came here for a pajama party, just a sleepover, and that day Jackson's mom and dad came just to see her. It was a shocking thing, and the story was way too weird, like how she met Jackson in the church and she used to talk about it, and we were like, yeah, hota hai, sab jawani mein hota hai, वगैरह वगैरह and stuff. When we saw his mom and dad, and we were like all completely blank, the Steffi जो completely मस्ती हो रहे, she's wearing a salwar kameez and taking a cup of tea for them, and it was hilarious, but it was way too sweet. We could see a woman thingy in Steffi, but yeah, we saw, and now she's getting married. She is the first person who's getting married, and it's very weird. Still, I'm not able to believe or digest that she's getting married, but yeah, she is. So I can't express the feeling right now because today morning when I was applying haldi to her, I was on the verge of crying, but yeah, she has to go one day. But itna jaldi nahi jana tha, but that's okay. She'll be in Borivali itself, so that's fine.
And suddenly one day when I was traveling somewhere, I get your call कि Divya, will you be my bridesmaid? I was like, Ayla, bridesmaid. Okay, let me think this, that. And then I agreed and I was like, okay, somewhere the relation grew really deep. And we meant something for each other. And then the whole shadi thing, the engagement, the preparation, it was crazy. Right now also it's very crazy. So we're having fun. Everything will be same, I think, because you are coming to my parish doesn't make much difference for me. Like how the others are going to miss you, I will not say that. I'll welcome you to my parish. It'll be fun, it'll be more fun with you. But I'll miss the youth Steffi that was, the bubbly chirpy. Please remain the same, irrespective. I love you a lot.
मुझे आज भी याद है when you came, one of the events I remember, you came last year and you were like, Shemi, मेरा शादी का सब fix हो रहा है. मैं बोला तू कुछ ज़्यादा ही जल्दी कर रही है, wait for some time. And then my first question was, who's the guy? She said, you were like, Jackson. Jackson कहाँ से है? बोरिवली से. नहीं चाहिए बोरिवली से. कोई नहीं चाहिए बोरिवली से. So I think I was too judgmental just because he was from Borivali parish, but trust me, he's the best guy that you've got. I think you're lucky to have him, and God has blessed you to have such an awesome family. Maybe Malad Zone B, everyone is going to miss you in each and every event that you were there.
Okay, this is a tough one, but in the end, she's good enough to be a best friend. At hard times, to be together.
That you don't want more Katies in B. Steffi, you always want to have a friend and you want to be the same friend like Steffi is. So that's what I learned from her.
I learned from her that, you know what, don't give a damn about anything, it is all past. A message I won't give her is, dude, don't change after your marriage. Let the jokes be where they are. Let the jokes be the kind of jokes that they are. And all the best.
Congratulations, Steffi, and I wish you the best for a happy married life.
Have a happy married life, and yeah, we'll surely, mint is the flavor of life, so so you know what's the gift for you.
I just hope we continue being just as, our bond of friendship is just as strong as it was before, and I continue and I hope that it is strong moving forward as well. I love you so much. Congratulations once again, and maid of honor.
God bless you, Steph. You deserve the best, and I really, 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 really love you, and I'm gonna miss you, because you'll be like a house, I don't know, you'll be like a wife. Kabhi dekha nahi tha waise, so yeah, so that will be the case. So hope to see that sweet Steffi too soon. So yeah, love you. Mwah.
Stay happy and be blessed always. And I'm really gonna miss you on all those Sundays when you are really not gonna be there at home, Malad house. And I don't know how will I react when you are not around me. I think I might be basically troubling Jason more than what, you know, I used to trouble. I am even going to miss our gossips as well, what we do. That's something what I'm really going to miss. I won't have you when I, you know, I really need कि तू आ जाए रात की रात और मुझे वो, you know, I can just talk that bullshit what I do with you. So yeah, that's basically what you and me are. And thanks to whole of your wedding that you actually getting married now. So stay blessed and enjoy. Bye, love you.
Wishing you a very happy married life. Love you, da. Umma.
First impression बहुत सुलझी हुई लड़की. Second year, I met her second year. I started knowing her in second year.
I knew in first year, I thought she's you said.
Yeah, she's Steffi.
She's Steffi.
Hey Steffi, you were waiting for this big day, so here you are. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Alright, we'll celebrate your birthday. Oh, is it your birthday? Nah. What is it? Hey, it's Merry Christmas! Ho ho ho! Merry Christmas! Oh no! Wait. It's your wedding day. Alright, jokes apart, Steffi. I don't know Jackson, but I wish he'll keep you happy for the rest of your life. I wish you both a very happy married life. Enjoy, have fun, and do miss me. Love you all. Bye.
Hey Steffi, finally the day is here. We've all been waiting for. इतना सारा तैयारी किया है. माँ कसम, I still remember the Steffi I met for the first time. Like bye, bachkand you are, man. And look at you today. You're getting married. I was so happy to see you yesterday in your haldi and all that. I mean, you're looking superb. I promise you, I am sure you're gonna be the best, and the hottest bride forever and ever. I've been asked to share a memory with you. I don't know. I don't want to select any one of it because every outing with you, Ashu, Alwyn, Monisha, Anis, and all that. Every fucking outing has been great. I'm sorry to use that word. I know family dekhegi, but still it's okay. Piece of advice. I'm sure you and Jackson are quite matured and you guys have taken a right decision. Just one thing I want to tell you is more than a couple, more than someone who's in a relationship, I believe you guys would be friends. I think you should be friends. After marriage, I know life would change. Jackson पे responsibilities भी आ जाएगी and you have to adjust a lot of things because you're leaving your house and going. But then more than anything else, more than this marriage thing, वो सब पुराने ज़माने की चीज़ें हैं. I would suggest you rather be a good friend to Jackson and I'm sure he will take bloody good care of you. और नहीं लिया तो चुम्मा देंगे ना बॉस उसको. तेरा भाई काहे के लिए बैठा है. Wish you a very happy and a very blissful marriage life, Steffi. सॉरी मैं यहाँ देख रहा हूँ, गाड़ी में बैठा हूँ तो पांडू देख ले, बोले पागल आदमी खुद से बात कर रहा है. चल, लव यू बेबी, लव यू एंड आई एम वेटिंग टू सी इन दैट वाइट कार टुमारो. If you want to leave Jackson anytime, I'm always in here. चल बाय बेबी, लव यू. तेरी इतनी सारी फ्रेंड्स है यार, किसी से तो इंट्रो करा यार. संगीत में किसी से भी नहीं मिले, तू कैसी.
Hi Steffi.
We have been knowing Steffi from the time she's been born. Being the only girl child, she was a pampered lot, but she's very kind at heart and a very fun person to be with.
Very adorable and cute. Steffi, your eyes is very beautiful and you have a very beautiful smile. Be as you are always and God bless you. Thank you.
I love my Steffi.
Steffi, you know what to say about Steffi, it's a bit question because she is a very irritating character.
Oh my God.
Okay. Yeah, she is. And then we have a very good memories, very happy memories with her when she was young as a kid. We used to go and drop her in school, nursery. We enjoy that moments. Now she's so big. Now she's getting married, and within 2 days she would be, going to her next house. Her future husband, Jackson. We wish them a best.
Both a happy marriage.
Both a happy marriage life. And what else to say? She's already crying, and I also can't.
I was crying in the car too.
Yeah. So, yeah, Steffi, we are going to miss you, but you're not going too far. We'll
love you very much.
Sundays we'll come there.
Don't forget to come on Sundays.
If she's not coming, we'll be there. Okay, and we'll not leave her alone. Okay. We have a
national park.
We'll have a great get together in National Park. We'll enjoy the view, have some good memories. See, Steffi, first of all, we will both would wish her a very happy marriage life, and
we wish she and Jackson would be a very happy couple.
And they live happily without pulling each other's hair. And
if he does that.
If he does that, okay. And what advice do you want to give to Steffi?
She's very cool.
She's very cool.
Yeah.
She is
can
cool.
manage herself.
She can manage herself, and she needs to eat less. Right now, she is eating too much due to happiness, and she is, what do you say, going from every side. Bas, anything more? Best of luck, Steffi.
All the best. We love you.
We love you. We all love you, and we will be with you.
Always.
Don't worry, always.
ഞാൻ ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമായിരുന്നു എനിക്ക് ആദ്യം ആദ്യത്തെ കുട്ടിയായിരുന്നില്ല എനിക്ക് പെൺകുട്ടി പക്ഷേ ഭയങ്കര സന്തോഷമായിരുന്നു എനിക്ക്
ഞാൻ വളരെ ഹാപ്പി ആയിരുന്നു ഐ വാസ് സോ ഹാപ്പി ലൈക്ക് ആൻഡ് ആ ഫീലിംഗ് എനിക്ക് എക്സ്പ്രസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല
Steffi George, she is my sister. She is a very close friend of mine, but at the same time she's one of the most cruelest enemy I ever had. मेरी चुगली बहुत कर रही थी वो.
വളരെ ഹാപ്പി ആയിരുന്നു ഞാൻ എല്ലായിടത്തും കൊണ്ടുപോകാറുണ്ട് അവളെ പോകുമ്പോൾ എവിടെ ഞാൻ പോയാലും അവളെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാറുണ്ട് അറിയാം എവിടെ പോയെന്ന് പറയുകയാണെങ്കിൽ ഏത് ഗണപതി ജയന്തി ആയാലും ക്രിസ്മസ് ആയാലും ഫ്രണ്ട്സിൻ്റെ വീട്ടിലായാലും അവളെ കൊണ്ടുപോകാറുണ്ട് ഒരിക്കലും
സ്റ്റെഫി പേരങ്ങനെ ഒന്നും കാരണമൊന്നുമില്ല പക്ഷേ എനിക്കങ്ങനെ തോന്നി ആ സമയത്ത് ബാഡ്മിൻ്റൺ പ്ലെയർ സ്റ്റെഫി ആയിരുന്നു ഫേമസ് അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു സ്റ്റെഫി ഇടാൻ നമുക്ക് അങ്ങനെ ഞാൻ ഇട്ടു.
I remember one incident. हम लोग सोए थे. She was in 11th or 12th. I was in 5th or 6th. मॉम सोई थी एंड डोंट रिमेंबर ज़्यादा. स्टेफी ने बोला कि चल मॉम को तंग करना है. तो मैं तो रेडी था, मैं थोड़ा था क्रेजी, तो मैं मानता था क्योंकि वो थी क्वीन, मैं थी वो थी क्वीन. मैं उसने क्या किया, यहाँ पे सॉस लगाया मेरे फेस पे, पूरा सॉस लगाया और मॉम के सामने जाके वो चिल्ला दी. शी शाउटेड कि मम्मा देख जेसन को क्या हो गया है, जेसन मम्मा रो रहा है. मॉम उठ के भाग गई. मॉम उठ के मेरी तरफ आई. मॉम ने ऐसे टच किया, पूरा खून में मॉम के सॉस. देखा तो मॉम ने सॉस है. मॉम ने झाड़ू लिया और जो मारा हम लोग को, बहुत मारा है. सो बट वो है हार्ड टाइम्स में रहती है वो. शी यूज्ड टू बी विथ मी हार्ड टाइम्स. whenever I cried, she used to be with me.
അവർ ഭയങ്കര ഫൈറ്റ്സാണ്, ഇപ്പോഴും ഭയങ്കര ഫൈറ്റ്സാണ്. ഞങ്ങളുടെ വാതിലൊക്കെ ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം ഓടിച്ചു കളഞ്ഞു. അത്ര ഫൈറ്റ്സാണ് അവർ രണ്ടുപേരും. പക്ഷെ അത്ര സ്നേഹവുമാണ്. ഇപ്പോൾ ജെയ്സൺ ഇപ്പോൾ 5-6 ദിവസം തൊട്ട് ഭയങ്കര കരച്ചിലാണ്. എന്ത് പറഞ്ഞാലും സ്റ്റെഫി അവൻ രാത്രി വന്നിട്ട് എന്നോട് പറയും, അവൻ പകുതി രാത്രിയിൽ ഉറക്കത്തിൽ വന്ന് പറയും, മമ്മി സ്റ്റെഫിക്ക് 2 ദിവസമേ ഉള്ളൂ 3 ദിവസമേ ഉള്ളൂ അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ വന്ന് പറഞ്ഞ് കരയും.
അത് അവൻ അനിയൻ ജനിച്ചപ്പോൾ അവൾ ഭയങ്കര ഹാപ്പിയായിരുന്നു. അവൾ
സ്റ്റെഫിയുടെ സ്കൂൾ ലൈഫ് ഭയങ്കര ഇങ്ങനെ അവൾ ഭയങ്കര ശാന്തമായിരുന്നു, അങ്ങനെ നോർമലായിരുന്നു. അങ്ങനെ പഠിക്കാൻ ഇങ്ങനെ ഒന്നും പറയേണ്ട ആവശ്യമൊന്നുമില്ല അവൾക്ക്. അവൾ തന്നെ ഭയങ്കര മിടിക്കായിരുന്നു അവൾ പഠിക്കാനായിട്ടൊക്കെ. ഞങ്ങൾക്കൊന്നും ഇങ്ങനെ ബാക്കിൽ അവളെ നടന്നിട്ടെല്ലാം പറയേണ്ട ആവശ്യമൊന്നും ഉണ്ടായില്ല. പിന്നെ കോളേജ് ലൈഫും അതുപോലെ തന്നെ. അവൾ എവിടെ പോയാലും എന്നോട് എല്ലാം ഷെയർ ചെയ്തിട്ട് എവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടേ പോവുള്ളൂ. അവൾ ഞാൻ ഇന്ന സ്ഥലത്ത് പോകണം, പിന്നെ ഈ സ്ഥലത്ത് പോകരുതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ പിന്നെ അവൾ പോകില്ല ആ സ്ഥലത്ത്. അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ആയിരുന്നു അവൾ.
സ്കൂൾ ലൈഫിൽ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എപ്പോഴും ഞാനെല്ലാം കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നത് അവളെ KG-ലൊക്കെ എല്ലപ്പോഴും കാലത്ത് കൊണ്ടുപോകും. ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക് ഞാൻ ഉണ്ടാവില്ല, കാലത്ത് ഞാൻ കൊണ്ടാക്കാറ്, ഞാൻ സ്കൂളിൽ കൊണ്ടാക്കാറുള്ളത്. ആ ടൈമൊക്കെ നല്ല ലൈഫ് എന്തായിരുന്നു. സൈക്കിളായാലും ബൈക്കായാലും എന്നാൽ ഞാനാണ് കൊണ്ടുവരുന്നത് അവൾ. കോളേജ് ലൈഫിനോട് ടച്ചിൽ എനിക്കില്ലൊക്കെ മമ്മിയാണ് കയറി തരുന്നത്. ഞാൻ ജോലിക്ക് പോയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ രാത്രി വരുള്ളൂ, എല്ലാം മമ്മിയാണ് കയറി തരുന്നത്.
She was very open with me, like we were friends like.
ഞാൻ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഞാൻ അഡ്വൈസ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, അവിടെ എവിടെ പോയാലും സ്നേഹത്തോടുകൂടി ജീവിക്കുക, സ്നേഹത്തോടെ അടിമപ്പെടുത്തുക എല്ലാവരും. ഇത് അമ്മയപ്പനും അമ്മയമ്മനും എല്ലാവരും. ഞാൻ പല അത് പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുത്താൽ അവൾക്ക് എവിടെ പോയാലും സ്നേഹം കൊണ്ട് ജീവിക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞാൽ അവിടെ പോയി വീട്ടിൽ പോയിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഒരിക്കലും അഭിപ്രായം വരുത്, വഴക്ക് കൂടരുത്. എന്ത് കാര്യത്തിനായാലും സ്നേഹം കൊണ്ട് എല്ലാവരും അടിമപ്പെടുത്താൻ നോക്കുക, അപ്പനെ എല്ലാവരും.
അതൊക്കെ അവളോട് ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു കൊടുക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. എപ്പോഴും സ്ട്രോങ് ആയിട്ട് നിൽക്കുക, ഫീലിങ്സ് അങ്ങനെ കാണിക്കേണ്ട ആരെയും.
എന്താ പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഞങ്ങൾ വീട്ടിലെല്ലാവരും കരച്ചിൽ തന്നെയാണ്. ഞാനും മോനും വൈഫും എല്ലാവരും കരച്ചിൽ തന്നെയാണ് ഇവിടെ.
ഉറപ്പിച്ച് വെക്കാൻ അവിടെ നല്ലോണം ജീവിക്കണം. അതെ ഹാപ്പി ആയിട്ട് പോകണം എല്ലാവരോടും.
Yeah, I cried twice a day for her. Sometimes, not every day. Yes, and I will remember her. She was the most beautiful sister I ever had. No one could replace her, and I hope she would continue her love because I love her so much. I cannot express, and I feel a bit emotional right now. She supported me throughout. She was the one who taught me how to drink stuff and all. And yes, I love her. I love her so much beyond infinity till the sun goes down. And I'll tell her very favorite moments. Her favorite serial is How I Met Your Mother. That Ted Mosby is better than Barney Stinson. And yes. From the day the marriage proposal got accepted, we used to sit together and watch the serial again and again. And yes, I cried for her, literally. No one cried, even my mom, dad were happy, but I was sad. I was a bit sad. Yes, I love her so much. I know each and every secret. Yeah, very confidential things. Bye. Love you.